Howdy, my fellow jet people. Alrighty, I'm here with the ENJET E-130. Just going to do a quick unboxing video of this turbine. It just started arriving here in the States. The Global Jets, he's going to be our new, Mike at Global Jets is going to be our new distributor. As well, we have a service center. I believe that is Leo is going to be their service rep for ENJET. Just want to do just a quick video, show you guys what you get. Glad to start seeing more options here in the States, especially ones that we can get locally serviced and that are affordable. So let's get started. So first off, GSU. This thing is massive, big old touchscreen. Can't wait to get that unboxed, unbagged. It's gonna be your telemetry unit. Same thing, CNC case. Love the color, love the muted color. It's like a graphite. Maybe a little bit of purple in there, something like that. Cool. Oops. There's your ECU. You got your serial number, 3S LiPo power. You got your labeling for the all your plugins, your inputs and your outputs. Your turbine and power, cables. You got your GSU cable, your turbine cable, power, and it looks like you get 3 of these JR servo plugs. One for telemetry, or 1 or 2 for telemetry, and 1 for receiver. Here's your pump, all metal case. Get your input output arrow there. It's pretty light. Get your fuel line. Get your Festo filter. Let's see what this is. Pisco, sweet. Good quality fuel cutoff valve. And last but not least, the ENJET E-130. Excited to get this running. Super compact, super tiny, 13 kilos, less than 1,000 grams. We'll wait here in a second. I love the short length. You don't have a really long starter, very short starter, short front cover, short nozzle. I like the muted colors on it as well. You have the black with this satin aluminum, satin silver. Looks great. Very clean balancing marks there. And I like this integrated font screen. All right, let's go ahead and weigh everything up and see what we come in at. All right, 940, less than advertised. That's cool. Good to see. All right, so let's go ahead and get the cables on. Leave it in the packaging for now. You got your fuel line. Obviously, you won't need all of that. You probably won't need all of that. There's your GSU, your ECU, your telemetry, your pump, and then your Festo valve and your filter. If I got any room on here. There we go. 1317. Awesome. You could probably take off 10 grams or so. You got the packaging and the extra fuel line. Awesome. All right, we'll go ahead and give you my final thoughts. I'm gonna start with the GSU. Very nice. I love the size. It's gonna be easy to see. It does have a SD card slot, so you're able to record and log your turbine operation. Great to see. The ECU, it's a lot smaller than it looks in pictures. A lot lighter as well. Very nice case. Something that I have found is super interesting. These all look like lights. Well, for the most part, they are. But the starter and pump are also buttons. So I assume you can activate your starter and prime your pump by just pressing it, instead of having to plug in your GSU and activate them. I don't know if ENJET supports a feature like a Chikoi where you can buy install kits and swap your turbine between different aircraft. If that was the case, it'd be great, because then you can just prime your pump from here. But well, we can ask about that. Let's see. And last but not least, again, the turbine. Sorry for the focus. There we go. Some of my first thoughts. I love the dimensions. It's very short. So you have a very short starter, very short front cover, and very short nozzle. So this is going to allow for this engine to be installed in a lot of sized aircraft, from small, large. You know, you're just going to have a lot more space to work with. I've seen some where people have to move the tank because your starter's too long, or you have to move the engine so far forward and they're on the edge of the engine rails because the nozzle is too long. So all the dimensions on this are very compact. It's very light. This is going to be a great engine that somebody could stick with in a smaller model and move up to something much larger. So that's always great. I also love the integrated FOD screen. This design is far superior than other designs that I've seen. There's a turbine manufacturer that released this integrated FOD screen, and they had issues with the screen getting, ingested. Not going to name any names, but this design is much better. You have the mounts for the starter supporting and backing the screen. So if something does hit it, it's not going to, not going to really go anywhere. It's supported. Yeah, fit and finish looks great. Really can't complain there. Yeah, love the colors, love the design. It's very light. It's lighter than advertised. So, all right. Stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna do a run video. First start and run, and then once I get the model together, we're gonna go ahead and I'll do a quick video of the install and maiden. So stay tuned. Thank you.